Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Gigs. In today's video, we'll discuss about abstraction. So it is one of the most important OOPS concept. So what is abstraction? Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details from the user and only the functionality will be provided to the user. In Java, abstraction is achieved using abstract class and interface. So we can achieve 100% abstraction using interface. So types of abstraction. So we have partial abstraction, so which is abstract class, and we have a fully abstraction, which is an interface. So what is abstract class? So in today's video, we'll discuss about abstract class. So an abstract class is a class that will have abstract methods and regular methods. So that is like non-abstract methods also you will have it in the abstract class. Abstract methods don't have implementation. So it will have only the method declaration. Okay, I'll show you the example. Abstract class can be inherited by using extend keyword. So that means the abstract class, if you want to inherit, so you can use the extends keyword. So classes and methods should be declared using abstract keyword. So abstract should be there in the class. So if you want to define that class as an abstract, and an abstract class can have parameterized constructors, and the default constructor is always there in the abstract class. Objects cannot be created directly for the abstract class because the classes that has the methods that are there in the abstract class do not have implementation. So I'll show with an example. So I have already created the package. Now I'll create the abstract class. So I'll name it as employee. I'll check this one, abstract. So it will add the abstract keyword in the class. So you can see it has added the abstract class. So now I'll create the methods in this. So as I've told you, so methods should declare with the abstract keyword. So abstract void empid. Okay, so I've just declared it. So I'll declare one more method. So if you can see it, I am writing abstract keyword. So in abstract class, we can have both abstract methods and as well as non-abstract methods. So now I will write one non-abstract method. So this is the non-abstract method. So I have declared the abstract class. Now I'll create the main class. Okay, and it will have the main method. So you see, now as soon as I extend the abstract class, so what happens, I'll just show you. So you can see here we are showing like this. So it says this the type company must implement the inherited abstract. So I have inherited the abstract class, right? So it is asking me to implement and add the unimplemented methods. So when I click on this, so all the methods, that abstract methods that I have written in the abstract class, so that will override here, and we can write our logic inside this. Okay, so I'll write the logics here. This is the one. Okay, so now I'll create the object for this class. So this, this. Now let's run this class. So you can see, so this is the non-abstract method and these are the abstract methods. So this is how we can implement the abstraction.